So good evening everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the selection method for additive manufacturing parts. So those things we are going to discuss. So here selection method for additive manufacturing having three methods. One is the decision theory. The second one is the approaches determining feasibility. Third one is the approaches to selection. So these are all the three methods we are going to discuss over here. Before going to see about the selection and the method of additive manufacturing part, we're going to discuss about the guidelines for process selection. So according to the Fowler and Associates, the parts for AM machines are used number of purports including the visual aids, presentation model, functional model, fit and assembly, pattern and prototype tooling, patterns and metal casting and tooling components, direct digital rapid manufacturing. So according to this, it will be used for here. Then comes into the selection for methods of for a part. So first we are going to discuss about the decision theory. So decision theory, it have three elements. One is the option, second one is the expectation, third one is the preference. So in the option, so whichever it is the item for which the decision maker has to be selecting. Suppose there are so many methods for to manufacture the particular part in the additive manufacturing process. So which one it is going to suitable for them, that is going to be select. Then expectation, so the possible outcome of each option. Suppose the depends upon the quantity, quality, surface finish, they are going to choose the uh, this one. So their expectation, the good surface finish means according to that they are going to choose the particular additive manufacturing process. Preference, according to the quality, quantitative, good surface finish, the ranking has to be done more here. Okay, so that is the preference. Okay, so in the preference only according to the rank wise, suppose we want the number of components more, we are not concentrate on the good surface finish. So first depends upon our requirement, the preference are going to make the ranking order. So according to that we can choose over here. So this is about the this one, decision theory. So in the decision theory, there are several types for decisioning. One is the selection, another one is the compromise, and another next thing is the coupled and hierarchical. Hierarchical. Okay, so here the selection, it is the indication preference based on multiple attributes for one among several alternatives. Then compromise is the improvement of an alternative through modification, and coupled and hierarchical decisions that are linked together, such as selection, selection compromise, compromise, or selection compromise. So like that, these several types are there in the mm, decision theory. Then comes into the approaches determining feasibility. So here first we are going to identify the suitable material for additive manufacturing machine to fabricate the part is complex. Okay, so it may be some difficult job, we are going to identify the suitable material. So for each application, one should consider the suitable available material, and also fabrication of cost, and time of manufacturing, and surface finish of the component and accuracy. So the component it will be lies within the tolerance value or not. Then requirements, part size, feature size, the mechanical property like the strength, toughness, hardness, those things, the resistance to the chemicals, it does not react with the chemicals, and other application and specific consideration. And in order to solve the additive manufacturing machine, the process chain selection problems, one must navigate the wide variety of material and machines, comparing one's needs their capabilities while ensuring the most up to the date information is available. So this is things comes under the approaches and determining feasibility. So here it will be all the things it will be considering about the component application. The depends upon the uh, surface finish as well as the accuracy are going to be selected in the approaches determining feasibility. And comes into the next one, the approaches to selection. So normally in the approaches to selection is the qualitative manner. So here are in the decision making process, uh, uh, decision support problem of any type lie in the providing a context and a structure for engineering problems regardless the complexity, and they are facilitate the recording the viewpoints associated with the decisions for completeness and future reference and evaluation of result through post-solution sensitivity analysis. The standard selection of the decision support problem has been applied on many engineering problems and has recently applied AM selection. The word formation of the standard selection decision support problem is given uh, in the decision option. Additive manufacturing selection is feasible material process of combination and expectation or determined rating the option against the attributes. Uh, Here the preference are made modeled using the simple importance values. Rank ordering of options is determined using a weight sum expression of importance and attribute ratings. An extension of utility theory has recently been accomplished for the identify the step evaluation attributes are to be specified. Okay, so these are the things. Um, so most of the eight selection is the qualitative manner. Several methods have been developed in the academia or based on the large literature decision theory. The standard selection decision support, that is, you can say it as a DSP, has been applied in many engineering problems as recently has been applied additive manufacturing selection. The word formation of standard decision support problems shown below given is set of AM process machine materials and identify set of evaluation attributes, create scales, determine the importance, rate each alternative relative to each attribute, rank AM method from most least processing. Challenges in the selection of game process. So, what are all the challenges we are going to face over there while selecting the additive manufacturing process? First one, uh, the information system should be unbiased wherever it is possible. Okay, the system should provide the support and advice rather than the quantified itself, and the system should provide the introduction additive manufacturing to equip the user with the background knowledge as well as advice on different additive manufacturing technologies. A range of options should be given to the user in order to adjust the requirement and show uh, how the changes in requirements may affect the decision. So the next challenge is the system should be linked comprehensive and up to database of additive manufacturing machine. And comes into the last challenge is that after the search process has completed, the system should give guidance on where to look next additional information. Okay, so with that, the selection of mm, methods of pot, that topic is over in the additive manufacturing process. Okay, thank you.